Now, remember a while ago I showed you that choke, how it was closed all the way? Now it's run for like 2 seconds, but you notice the choke is not completely closed all the way. There's a little bit of a crack in there, which is literally exactly, pretty much about how it should be, literally. And once you've got enough fire to, you know, get it to run for a second or two, it should gradually and slowly open up a bit, because the whole idea is that it opens as it warms up a little, right? Right. Common sense will also tell you that if that's closed completely, it's probably not going to run. It's not getting any air. So my thinking is probably what needs to happen is I need to get those screws loose over here, turn that about a notch or two in the downwardly direction, so that this will remain just slightly open even when it's dead cold. But that's theory. That's all theory, and it's something I could do on a nice warm day when I feel like taking everything apart. But for right now, I'm going to squirt a little bit more gas in there. Because usually, third time's a charm. After it hits off a couple of times, it'll keep running. I tend not to want to hit the gas till it warms up a little bit. That just tends to flood it and kill it out. Third time wasn't a charm that time. Maybe this needs to be a little less closed. Let's try that. Sometimes I'll do this and I'll just close that a little bit. Close it just a little bit. Not so much. Just a little bit. What's the rest? Oh, that kind of brings me to my other concern. It could be out of gas, so that it's not. A little squirt there now. Okay. Let's close that a bit. Let's kind of leave that closed a little bit. If I can get it to sit there. And now it looks like it needs to go the other way. What I ought to do is loosen this thing up and get it where I can turn it just a hair. Oh, let's see what happens. I think it actually needs to be closed a little bit more. I wonder if this thing got fire to it. It'd be nice if I could turn it over and stick my finger in there at the same time, wouldn't it? I might need a half a shot of ether to get that going.